Hey, this is Dr. P, President and CEO of Victory in Motion, home of knee repair, not knee replacement. And today we're going to be doing some more genetic testing. This is a company that we work with, Activate DNA-based weight loss. Everybody's DNA is a little bit different. Everybody's genetic makeup is a little bit different. Hence, everybody's ideal diet and optimized diet is a little bit different. And that's where the genetic testing comes in. Interestingly, this will also show what the best type of exercise is based on your genetics. It'll show if there's any food intolerances or allergies, lactose intolerance, gluten allergies, things like that. It'll give a 30-page report that will go through your genetics. It'll do some of the information I just said. It will give recommendations on what the best percentages of macronutrients, proteins, fats, carbohydrates that your genetics allows for, and all those other things. You will get a diet coach for 3 months. So the diet coach will read and interpret that entire 30-page report and fashion a unique, customized, personalized, genetic-based diet for you. But obviously, you're welcome to read the whole thing. You get this packet here that has some supplements and things like that in it to start with, but obviously you're always going to read the directions first, and it basically says rinse mouth thoroughly with water, which I already read these, and I did do that. You're going to get a mailing envelope, and you're going to get another envelope here to put your swabs into. This is a very simple test. You're just basically going to take these 2 sterile swabs. You're going to open it up, take one, and then you're going to rub the inside of the left side of your cheek first. Then you're going to take the other one and you're going to rub the inside of the right cheek. And that is going to be done for about 30 seconds. So this is going to go inside the left cheek and it's going to be rotated several times. Then we're going to take the other one out and this one's going to go inside the right side of the mouth and rotate around for 15 to 30 seconds on the right inner cheek. Now once the swab comes out, it says to put it into a clean drinking glass for 15 minutes to dry. So we'll let that dry for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. We are going to take the dried swabs, put them in the barcode envelope, seal that envelope. You have to write your name across the barcode. Of course, there is paperwork to fill out that needs to go into the envelope. Make sure the barcodes match. These go in here. Gonna write your name across here, put it into the big envelope, seal it, and mail it out. We'll mail this out. Once we get the results back, we'll go over them and I'll explain how it works. But it's as simple as that as far as doing the actual genetic test.